You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say some of them as well. Now this word, so stay tuned, this word is said as neopronouns. Neopronouns, that's how you say the word itself. If you're looking at how to say some neopronouns, here are a few videos for you to learn more about them and how they're said. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.